Hello friends, today I am telling you about the new update. There are four things in new update. First is stove house, second is flower packing machine upgrader, third is shop. First of all, we are going to check the stove house. Here are the three four things. Select the recipe and prepare all the ingredients needed to cook. The second thing is prepare the ingredients, manually cook the dish perfectly to get automatic cook points to unlock the auto cook feature. Use auto cook to cook the dishes. For example, we are cooking here this dish. For example, this dish. So tap on the cook here. Now these are there are some important things. Select the dish you want to cook it perfectly once to unlock the next level of the dish. Second thing, press the start button to cook. Try to stop the indicator on the red area. Stop it in the red area to cook it perfectly. You can get some automatic cook points and unlock the next level of this dish. Stop in the yellow area on either side of the red area to get a well done cook. You won't get any automatic cook points. Stop in the gray area to get a good cook. You won't get automatic cook points and you have a low chance to get the trash. So we will try to stop on the red area here. Tap on stop. Yes, so we have get the automatic cook points. You can clearly see automatic cook points 18. We are starting again. Start. Now we will stop again on red area. Yes, we have stop on the red area. So here is the unlock. The next dish will be unlocked soon. Automatic cook points are 20. We are cooking again. Start. Stop. We have got the 2 points. So this is the method that you can cook the dishes and increase the automatic cook points. The second thing is here flower packing machine upgrader. Here is available the flower packing machine upgrader. This you can clearly see. We have, and now we are putting the flower packing machine on it. Here is flower packing machine. Here is flower packing machine. So tap on this upper arrow. Yes, here. Now we can upgrade it here. Complete bucket wearing paper. Bucket wearing paper are here available in Blue Mystery Store. Here is Blue Mystery Store. Here is Blue Mystery Store. These are the papers. We have successfully got the papers. And the next thing is new update is here in Mystery Store. You can refresh the Mystery Store by watching the ads. Here is the video available. Click here to refresh these items. These items will be automatically refreshed. And the next thing is calendar is updated. Here is calendar. Calendar is updated. This is updated calendar in new update. And fifth and last thing is here, the very important, the RC tips are available here. I am telling you here. RC tips are available. How to get RCs? Open the country club pack for chance to get RC here, and next is daily quest for a chance to get RC. Register item to get RCs. Complete the achievements to get RCs. Participating in lucky wheel for chance to get RC. Send pet to get chest for chance to get RC. Participating in cooking stand activity to chance to get RC. Participate in farmers fair chance to get RC. Participate in fishing to get RC. Complete helicopter orders to get RC. Participating in mining for chance to get RC, and participate in the beauty contest to get RC. These are the tips available here, then you can get the RCs. So thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and new missions. Thank you.